This is how you make a button at the Southern New Hampshire University Makerspace. Firstly, you want to select what size button you would wish to make. Go to youmakebuttons.com, download the 1 or 1.5 inch template, and put your design within the inner circle. Make sure you hide that inner circle first, unlike I did. Then you're going to cut out your design using our hole punch around the outermost circle. While I'm cutting this out, please make sure to follow us. We'd really appreciate it. Moving on, we're going to take a metal circle from this tray, place it inside one. Then add your desired image on top, along with a plastic circle here. Also, while you're at it, subscribe to this new Makerspace YouTube page. Spin side one so it is now under the press. Pull the press down and hold for a few seconds. If your design is missing from side one, that means you should go to side two. Take one of these metal backing pieces and make sure to place it squiggly side up. Then, spin side two underneath the press and hold down for a little longer this time. Release and spin side two around to see your brand new button. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm Jarret from the Makerspace. Happy making!